In our last video, we talked about a relationship between India and USA and its trade. We found out that trade between India and USA is in favor of India. India exports more and imports less from US. डेटा बोलता है 2014 के बाद. This is our video number 17 on trade with China. चाइना के साथ द्विपक्षीय व्यापार 2014 से पहले और 2014 के बाद. India and China, they do not have good relations after 2015. There are disputes. There are many international issues. No, whether those issues they have affected our trade, whether India's trade is in favor of India or it is in China, we will watch in this video. See, the exports on the left side from 2006-07 to 2021-22 and imports on the right side from 2006-07 to 2021-22. The exports that ranged between 10,000 million US dollar to approximately 18,000 million dollars to China during the period 2006-07 to 2013-14, that is before 2014. After 2014, the exports ranged from 10,000 US dollar to 22 million US dollars. And then in 2022, they came down to 15,000 million US dollars exports to China. Imports have always been more from China before 2014, even after 2014. Before 2014, the range was between 20,000 million US dollar to 60,000 million dollars, and after 2014, it is 16,000 million US dollars to 100,000 million US dollars. That is 1 lakh million US dollars. Imports have always been more. You can see the gap, 15,000 in 2022, 15,000 million dollars exports and approximately 1 lakh million dollars import. The gap you can see. What is the percentage of our total imports and exports? Exports are 6.28% of the total exports, and after 2014, this is 4.90% of the total exports to China. We imported on an average 12.46% of imports from China, and after 2014, this increased to 16.09% of the total imports. The gap. Export minus imports. Before 2014, the gap increased from 15,000 million US dollars to 52,000 million dollars. But after 2014, this gap increased to 87,165 million dollars. Can we say the disputes have not affected trade? Rather, our imports from China are increasing every year tremendously. Is it in our favor? See, the import may not be just final products, maybe intermediate products. But are we not importing more from China? We are exporting less to China, very less, minuscule to China, and importing more from China. See, traders, businessmen, they give importance to business than to relationships. This is a debatable issue, very debatable issue. Nationalism or business. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.